Mathematics 4. Multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Multiply fractions. 2. Multiply fractions by mixed numbers.
To multiply fractions, follow these steps. Multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. Reduce the product to its lowest terms.
Mary had 1/2 of a pie. She gave 1/3 of it to John. What fraction of the pie did John get? Solution. 1/3 times 1/2 is equal to 1/6. John got 1/6 of the pie. Here is another example. Multiply 3/4 and 2/3. Solution. First, multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then, multiply the denominators. 4 times 3 is 12. Get the lowest term of 6/12. Both numbers are divisible by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. The answer is 1/2. How much is 1/2 of 1/4? Multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Next, multiply denominators. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. The answer is 1/8. To multiply a whole number and a fraction, multiply the numerator of the fraction by the whole number and place the product over the denominator. Then, express the answer in its simplest form. Janet and Noel hiked 3/4 kilometer for an hour along an unknown mountain trail. How far did they travel for 3 hours? Solution.
Let's multiply 3/4 by 3. Change 3 into a fraction. It becomes 3/1. Now, multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 equals 9. Next, multiply the denominators. 4 times 1 is 4. 9/4 is an improper fraction. So let's change it to a mixed number. Janet and Noel traveled 2¼ kilometers for 3 hours.
Another example. Multiply 5/6 by 2. First, turn 2 into a fraction, which is 2/1. Then, multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 is 10. Next, multiply the denominators. 6 times 1 is 6. We have 10/6. Get the lowest term. Both are divisible by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We now have 5/3, which is an improper fraction. Let's change it to a mixed number. The answer is 1 and 2/3. Another example. Multiply 10/1 and 3/4. Multiply the numerators first. 10 times 3 equals 30. Then, multiply the denominators. 1 times 4 equals 4. We now have 30/4. Let's get its lowest term, which is 15/2. It is an improper fraction, so let's change it to a mixed number. The answer is 7 and 1/2.
To multiply a fraction by a mixed number, change the mixed number to an improper fraction. Then, follow the steps in multiplying fractions. Fred bought 1½ pies. He gave 1/2 of those to Tom. What fraction of the pie did Tom get?
Solution. Observe the solution.
Let's practice.
Number 1. Multiply 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. Take your time to answer. The answer is 1 over 8. Number 2. Multiply 2 over 3 times 6. The answer is 4 over 1 or 4. Number 3. Multiply 1 and 4 over 7 times 3. The answer is 4 and 5 over 7. Number 4. Multiply 1 and 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. The answer is 1 and 1 over 8.